In this video, I'll break down a cool trick to do a BPM transition. So first, let's take a look at the trick, then we'll learn how to do it.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. I like the way you test the flame, 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 test the
Before anything, next week I'll be doing a Q&A session. So if you guys have any question about what is happening with the channel, where are drops only, do let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer you all. Now let's proceed to the trick. So first, you have to change the tempo range to wide. We can do this by pressing together Shift and Sync button like this. Second step is to set a cue point or a cue marker on the breakdown of the second song. Make sure that it has a bass drop like this or like this. Third step is to loop any particular section on the master song, that is, drop it in this case. After looping, press loop out button and turn the jog wheel anti-clockwise to make the loop short, like this.
drop it. Drop it. Drop it. I like the way you test the flame, 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 test the flame,
After doing all this, press the loop out button to close the loop, do the backspin and slide the tempo fader to 0. Last, when you are sliding the tempo fader to 0, simultaneously press the hot cue button on deck 2 like this.
drop it. Drop it. Drop it. I like the way you test the flame, 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 test the flame,
One important thing, when you are decreasing the tempo to 0, do it smoothly. Don't do like this. The smoother you do, the trick will come out that better. So basically, you can use this trick to transition from any BPM to any BPM. This BPM transition trick is usually used to grab attention. I have earlier made a video about BPM transition. There, the transition was much more smooth. But when you do this trick, it will grab audience attention. And if you guys have learned something new, do like it, share it, subscribe it. You know the drill. And I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to let me know your questions for the Q&A that is coming next week. Take care. Bye-bye. Stay safe.